In front of me is VIVO V29 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. Then hit the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it later on by hitting Clipboard and tapping on it here. To pen it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on your text and pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, use this pen, click on your text and use bin icon. To disable Clipboard, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!